Hello everyone, good evening. This is Aarti. Hi. Can you all see me live? Okay, hi Shravya. Alright, so hi Sheetal. Okay, I am just adding. So in the meanwhile, while I connect with Shravya, hi, this is Aarti, and today we are here to discuss a very, very important topic. Hi Shravya,
There.
can you see me?
Hi.
Hi, can you
Yes,
see
yes,
me? Can
yes,
you
I
hear
can.
me?
Yes,
Hi.
yes, yes, I can hear you. I can hear
All
you.
right,
How are
welcome.
you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good, 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 good.
So
I'm
nice
so
to have a
happy to,
conversation without a mask, yeah. In a virtual world,
I
at least we can
swear, tell
have
me
a
about it.
conversation.
Seriously, I'm so
Yeah,
happy that we're doing this finally. I have been waiting to
finally.
do this.
Yeah, same here,
Yeah.
same here. So it's a lovely Sunday evening. Hello, friends, again. Welcome, Shravya. Welcome, everyone. And today we
Hello,
are
guys.
discussing a very, very important topic. Guess what? It's about relationships. Would you want to say,
Yes.
Shravya, our topic for tonight?
In this lockdown, especially in this lockdown, people have come to know a lot about their own relationships because we always stuck with our partners in the
Yes.
same house. So a lot of things went haywire between people. Some people came closer to each other, and there was a lot of things that happened. So I decided, and I researched a lot about relationships in these
Mm-hmm.
days.
Right.
So that is why I decided to talk about this. And thank you for letting me
Most welcome.
with this. Yeah, thank you so much. So
So
yeah,
amazing,
today's topic actually
amazing.
a lot of a lot of people ask me about boundaries because I have
Yes.
spoken about boundaries before, and people don't really understand boundaries क्या होती है and इसका meaning क्या होता है, क्यों लोग boundaries मतलब exactly क्या क्या हम किसी चीज को रोकना चाहते हैं क्या रिलेशनशिप में, सामने वाले को कैसा लगेगा अगर हमने किया, बट दे फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन पॉइंट कि अगर हमने ये किया तो रिलेशनशिप हम सामने वाले को, इफ आई टेल यू आरती गिव मी, आरती कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, I can hear you.
या एक्चुअली या सॉरी योर
Yeah,
screen
yeah,
was
yeah.
buffering.
Okay.
So
I can
there are
see
a
you, I
lot of
can hear
things.
you very clearly. I have a few
Thank
people
God for
also
that.
here. Yeah, yeah. I have
Yes,
a
yes, yes,
couple
I
of
can see
people
them.
waving at us. Yeah, yeah. So
Yes,
carry on.
yeah.
Yes.
So as I was saying कि लोग बहुत बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं जब मैं बाउंड्रीज के बारे में बोलती हूँ कि अपना पॉइंट रखना चाहिए कि
Yeah,
हाँ बाबा ये
exactly.
चीज
Yeah, when we were also discussing, let's have a session on boundaries, I was wondering, what does boundary mean? I mean, everybody has their own perception because some people say,
राइट
if I keep boundaries, maybe it will hurt the other person. So maybe we have a
राइट राइट
misconception about boundaries. So,
करेक्ट
that's what it was an amazing idea to have a discussion about it and to
ट्रू
actually, be clear on what exactly boundary means. And that does not mean hurting the other person. It means respecting
डेफिनेटली
myself,
नॉट
right? So it
यस
was
यस
interesting.
बाउंड्रीज basically mean to understand and to identify what I am comfortable with and how I would like to be treated in a relationship. The
Correct.
relationship can be any relationship.
I think I've lost you. Can you hear me, Shravya? I have lost you. Hello. Oops. I think some network issue with Shravya's end. I'll take her again. Um, One second. It's a very, very interesting topic that we are discussing today. Hi, Geeta. Hi, Nishka. Hi, Ria. Hi, Goyal, Sand, Sheetal, Manasvi. Hi, hello, everyone. Um, I am somehow not able to take her on the call. Shravya, are you there? Guys, so sorry. Somehow there is this network issue that we are facing. So I am taking Shravya on the call once again. Okay. I'm trying to take Shravya on call once again. View request. Okay. All right. I think I have taken her. It's connecting still. So it's an interesting topic, guys. Boundaries. You know, sometimes we confuse boundaries with maybe rules and regulations in a relationship, or maybe, you know, something related to something
Hi.
which will offend the other person. Yeah. Hi, Shravya. We are back.
Hi, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
No worries.
Yes. So yeah, as we were talking about it.
Yeah, I think we are still
boundaries.
live. I lost you in
Yes.
between, but I can see you
I
again.
know.
And there are people.
I think there were
Yeah.
some issues.
Yeah, so there are a few friends who are waving at us. Let me just say hello to them again.
Hello,
Sheetal,
hello guys.
Manaswi, Heisenberg, Goyal, Jen, Rinku, Saurabh, Tayyaba, Siddharth, Ria Chadda. Hi Ria, Geeta, Nishka. So all of them are saying hello.
Hello guys. Thank you so much for
all right. So once again, we are back, and just to tell you, Shravya is a counselor, a relationship counselor, hypnotherapist, and I'm also alternate healing therapist and a facilitator. And today we are discussing a very important topic, which is boundaries in relationship. Back to you, Shravya. All right. So we were discussing about boundaries, how to define. Are you there? I think again there's some network issue and I have lost Shravya. Shravya, your screen is buffering. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Okay. Hi. Shravya's again left. Hi, Ria. Unmesh More. Okay. I will try and add Shravya again. Guys, some network glitch. So sorry about that. And I am somehow not able to take Shravya. Now it's waiting again. It's a very interesting topic, guys, because, you know, most of the times, whether it's a romantic relationship or it's any other relationship, I feel it's very important to have boundaries. And, you know, we have a lot of misconceptions about boundaries. It does not mean hurting the other person. It actually means respecting the other person. And I really wanted Shravya to explain more about it. She being a relationship counselor. Let's see if she comes back. I'm just waiting for her. 1 second. Hi, you're back?
I'm so sorry that there's some network issue going on. Yeah,
No worries,
I'm really
no
sorry.
Worries. It's all right. Sunday
Yeah.
evening, everyone's probably on a personal call or something. Too much of traffic these days. One, because of work from home.
Oh my God.
Work from home kitna chal raha hai sabka, and then
Tell me
secondly,
about
there's
it.
a lot of data consumption. So, you know, this brings me once we should have some discussion about addiction also, because I see a lot of people hooked on to technology, hooked on to
their phones, web series, movies, and so many things. My goodness. So yeah.
So let's one day
after
have
lockdown,
a discussion.
everyone are going to face, you know, a lot of problems to go back to their normal lives again.
Oh, don't
once
ask.
They start working.
Don't ask. The other day I was talking to a friend and we were discussing probably by March we should have you know, again work from home khatam ho jayega, and we'll have to go back to work and all of that. So I was wondering, you are in software and you are now so laid back, you are sitting at home and just working. Kaise jaoge office? How will you go? And you know,
True.
It will take so much of effort to go back and you know, come to the routine.
Seriously,
so one
tell
day
me
we
about
should
it.
have this kind of a discussion again.
Definitely,
right
we will.
Yeah.
Let's get back to boundaries.
Yes.
All right. So, yeah, as I was saying, boundaries help us to define what we are comfortable with in a relationship and how we would like to be treated by others in the relationship. क्योंकि अगर मैं खुद की रिस्पेक्ट उतनी नहीं रखूंगी तो सामने वाला भी नहीं रखेगा.
Correct.
It's like you know, the way people treat us is a reflection of how we treat ourselves.
Exactly.
This is what I have learned. I have learned the harder way, but yeah, I did learn this. If I am asking you, Aarti, please, can you give me $1,000, and you only have 100, Aarti can't give me because Aarti के पास खुद नहीं है. Similarly, अगर मैं expect कर रही हूँ, मैं दूसरों से respect मांगू, मैं खुद को कितना respect कर रही हूँ, मैं खुद को कितना प्यार कर रही हूँ, क्या मैं उतना enough कर रही हूँ क्या? इतना
So in
नहीं
one
है.
sentence, if I understand correctly, boundaries would mean, will that mean a rule and regulation that we set in a relationship, whether it's a romantic relationship or it's in the family? Is it kind of something which will say, okay, this is something that I can do, and this is something which I cannot do? You know, something of that sort.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes. That's what boundary means. I
can extend myself to you. You know, to this extent, maybe, you know, a definition of a rule that itna hi मैं कर सकती हूँ, इसके आगे मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Something.
Correct.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. जैसे हम जैसे पेरेंट्स बच्चों के लिए रूल बनाते हैं कि लाइक 8 o'clock के बाद टीवी नहीं देखना है, तो उसका कोई मीनिंग है, राइट? तो वैसे अगर हम अपने लिए एक रूल बनाएं कि ये इतना एक्सटेंड तक मैं जा सकती हूँ इन अ रिलेशनशिप, and this is what my partner should also know. This is what I can do, this is what I can't do. Because partner की over expectation नहीं होनी चाहिए. It is better to, you know, communicate it already. So this is what I believe कि taken for granted वाली feeling किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगती है.
Exactly.
And because we want to avoid conflict, we want to avoid confrontation, वो uncomfortable जो एक दूसरे के साथ जो होता है conversation, वो सब अवॉइड करने के चक्कर में वी टेक एवरीथिंग इन, एंड वो पार्टनर की एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ती रहती है टू अ पॉइंट वेयर आई एम लाइक आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दिस, बट नाउ इट्स टू लेट टू लेट द पार्टनर नो. देन द पार्टनर इज लाइक, अरे अब तक तो ठीक थी, अभी क्या हुआ अचानक से?
This brings me to another very important aspect of a personality, Shravya. Sometimes we also do it to please the other person. You know, sometimes we want to kind of go over the board, और उसको, you know, please करने के लिए शुरू में we do a lot of things and we cross our boundaries. Like now when we talk in terms of boundaries, we cross our boundaries and go to a extent where we do over the board things, and then we say, okay, you know, this person is taking me for granted. Even in a friendship, you know, I've seen you know, even in friendships, like two of the friends, अच्छा चलो आज कहीं चलते हैं, आज कहीं shopping चलते हैं, every day I'm going with a friend, but when I lay down a boundary, okay, this is it, इसके बाद मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जा सकती, या इसके बाद I will not be able to go overboard with you, then it becomes very how do I say, it is offensive to the other person, you know, sometimes.
Right.
So do you mean to say, is it important to lay the boundaries right from the start, ताकि बाद में ऐसा नहीं लगे कि अरे अभी तक तो सब सही था?
Correct.
Right?
So so there are, I made 5 pointers just to make everything simple, and for our audience to understand what exactly boundary is, मैंने 5 pointers बनाए कि exactly boundaries को कैसे set कर सकते हैं, और more than that उसको कैसे निभा सकते हैं. So the first pointer is coming, like when I say about setting boundaries with a partner, I'm only going to talk in terms of romantic relationships. Okay,
we are only talking about a romantic relationship now.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay. Before that, do you want to say hi, hello to people who are waving at you?
Hello, guys.
Okay. Hi. We have Rituka. We have Sonu, Dhaval, Shlok, Sharveen. Yes, Shlok is saying yo. We are here. Shlok. Let's go. Okay. Savant, Rushiraj, Niyati, Kimani, Upscale, Fleascale, Khushi Soni, Shlok again, intense, right?
Kunal is saying hi. Hi, Kunal. Hi, Kunal.
Yudhishthir Singh, Sarvesh, Sunavane, and Nishka.
Nishka says, Aarti, your nail paint is very beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I love these yellows.
Hi, Vrishali. Hi, Vrishali. I'm so glad you guys are here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being there.
Yes, guys. Thank you for being there and waving you back. All of you. Hello from both of us. If you have any questions while Shravya is explaining us how to set boundaries, if you have any questions, please write down by the end of the session. I will be taking your questions and I will be reading on FIFO basis, first in, first out. And over to you, Shravya. Yes. How to set boundaries.
Yes. So when it comes to setting boundaries, the first thing that you need to do is communicate. It is
Correct.
very important for you to communicate your needs. So for that, when I was doing my relationship certification, I learned something known as non-negotiables, making a list of your non-negotiables. So you and your partner can have this activity that both of you, suppose एक मंडे है, मंडे को तुम डिसाइड करो कि एक लिस्ट बनानी है हमारी नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स की, ये चीज मैं नेगोशिएट कर सकती हूँ, ये चीज मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if I don't like my boyfriend having cigarettes, like he has 10 cigarettes a day, and I hate it when he does that. So when he does that, I'm not okay with it. And because he does that, I'm going to write ki 10 cigarettes not allowed. Now I make a list of my non-negotiables, and then हम decide करते हैं कि Saturday को post dinner we are going to sit and discuss our list. So when we discuss it, it is the moral duty of both the partners to listen to each other, and to make it a point कि वो सामने वाला समझे उस चीज को. तो अगर यहाँ पे मेरा पार्टनर he is habitual to having 10 cigarettes a day from a long time, और अगर मैंने वहाँ पे no cigarettes लिखा है, I can't expect my partner to leave it the next day like this. No, it's unrealistic expectation. Now, when two people don't agree with something, you need to do one thing, that you need to make a third way to it. Can we walk halfway?
A middle path, you mean to say, like something like, okay, 20 नहीं लेना और एकदम से 10 पे नहीं आ सकते, तो let's take 15.
करेक्ट, एक मिडिल ग्राउंड, हाँ, एक मिडिल ग्राउंड पे आना बहुत जरूरी है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि अगर तुम अग्री नहीं कर रहे हो उसके ऊपर तुम झगड़ा करने लगो. दैट्स कंप्लीटली नॉट फेयर टू ईच अदर. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू सिट टुगेदर and find a middle ground to it.
Right.
Okay, so this is what can be done. The first thing, communication is very important. Make a list of your non-negotiables, discuss it, and if you both don't agree on certain things, please find a middle ground and don't keep fighting over it.
And here there is a very, very important aspect, what you mentioned, Shravya. Make a list. Probably we guys, or most of us, make a list definitely, but then we don't review it. You've given a very important insight that on a Saturday or something, you should sit and kind of review it and see कि कहाँ तक पहुँचे, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा. So setting grounds is very, very doable, I can say. But उसके बाद it becomes a little difficult, you know, when we don't kind of review it, or we don't see what are the challenges that the partner is going through. Right?
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Shravya, do you want to take any question in between or only at the end?
I think at the end we'll take all questions.
Okay. Then I'll have to scroll down. Okay. All right.
Yes. All right. That brings me to the second point. After communication, it comes to being clear about your points. कि अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि सिगरेट नहीं पीना है, so why do I say what I say? Why have I made this a point? Why is it important to me? How will it affect me if that part is invaded, if that's not followed? Maybe because I have lost someone very close to me because of cancer, because that person used to smoke a lot.
There is some history to it. Yeah.
Correct. तो वो important क्यों है मेरे लिए? उसका क्या emotional value hold करता है मेरे लिए? That's very important for the person to know. And when we explain it in a emotional sense, then the person is at least willing to listen to us. No, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ये नहीं करना है, and you'll be like, यार मैं तो इतने टाइम से कर रही हूँ, क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसको? But when I say you doing this is affecting me this way emotionally, you'll be like, oh, okay. Now I'll make sure that I don't do it.
Correct.
Or I'll make sure that I make a conscious effort of not doing it because it bothers you. And if the person, honestly, if the person really cares about you, he or she will definitely make it a point कि आपको दुख ना हो.
So basically, if the person values the relationship, then definitely there will be a two-way communication. And जो हमने first point पे हमने communicate किया है, what you mean to say is second step to laying down the boundary is to define why and how, you know, why it is important, how it makes a difference to me. So kind of communicate on those lines, that I am not just saying ऐसे ही over out of the blue. I have a history to it. Maybe I have a bad experience.
Correct.
Maybe I have
Correct.
something attached to this particular
True.
point. And let the partner also ask as many questions as possible. Maybe he can ask you, how does that affect you? If I am smoking, how does that affect you? So probably,
Correct.
hows and
Have a
whys.
proper communication.
Yes,
Yes,
hows and
have a
whys,
proper
basically.
communication.
Yes.
Don't get offensive, don't get defensive immediately. Just listen to the partner. I'll talk about all of these things when we do our next live together, because there are a lot of things that we need to know, we need to understand when it comes to communicating with each other.
Right. So
That
we'll
brings-
come to this point at the end of the session. It's a very interesting topic that we are going to pick up the next week, and we are going to
Yes.
brief you again by the end of the session. So please stay tuned. All right.
Yes.
Shravya.
The third point is respecting each other's needs, even if वो बहुत छोटी चीज हो. मतलब for example, if I am having a conversation with my boyfriend and he keeps scrolling through his phone when I'm talking to him, I
Right.
want your undivided attention. That's a very small thing, and he'll be like, पर इसमें क्या है? नहीं. But if you want me to stop scrolling, keep my phone aside and give you undivided attention while I talk to you, I will do that. वो
Right.
बहुत छोटी भी चीज हो, एक दूसरे को डिसमिस नहीं करना है. वो उसके लिए बहुत बड़ी चीज हो सकती है. ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी है. Even if it is a very small thing for me, it can be a very big thing for my partner.
Exactly.
So
And this
dismissing
normally
each other-
happens. That's something which is very trivial for me. The other person
Yeah.
says, oh, I mean, अभी तक तो इसका कोई जिक्र भी नहीं था, and now suddenly it become such a big
Why?
thing for you. Why? Right? Yeah.
Correct.
So it's very important
And
to be
you're like-
clear.
True. And it's like कि एक दूसरे को उतनी एक दूसरे को सुनने की उतनी क्षमता रखनी चाहिए, which is what I truly believe. Just listen to each other. कोई चीज अगर मैं फील कर रही हूँ तो मैं ऐसे ही फील नहीं कर रही हूँ. I have a reason to feel the way I feel. So
Right.
just listen to me and respect it. Respect the opinion. Even if you don't relate to it, even if you kind of don't agree to it, but because I'm saying, just pay a heed to my thing,
Absolutely.
वैसे.
Absolutely. Right.
That brings me to my fourth point now.
Mm-hmm.
सैटरडे को अगर हमने डिसाइड किया कि 10 सिगरेट स्मोक नहीं करना है,
Right.
और हमने अगर यहाँ पे मिडिल ग्राउंड आ गए हैं कि 10 से कम 9 या 8 पे आना है, give the person a chance to change. Give time. सैटरडे को डिसाइड किया, संडे को अगर मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड अगर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जा रहा है और अगर उसने 10 सिगरेट स्मोक कर लिए हैं, वो एक दिन में चेंज नहीं होने वाला. You have to give time. There is no other. Tell me,
This is
continue.
where most of the people make mistake. They'll come for a session and say, okay, this is what they'll do XYZ, sub grounds bana liya, middle ground bana liya. When they come for a session, I will say them, okay, at least give 10 days to whatever is happening.
Correct.
And then very next day, I'll get a call from the client. You know what, Aarti, this is not happening. You know what, that's not happening. So
You just
guys,
get restless.
give and take time, right?
Correct.
Yes, they become so restless. Yes.
So restless, and it's like the moment अगर this is my advice कि जब आप मिडिल ग्राउंड सेट भी करते हो, कम्युनिकेट करते हो, क्लियर कर देते हो, एंड इफ यू सी यहाँ पे I would like to give another aspect to this, saying that if a girlfriend, suppose I have a problem, and this is the problem with most of my generation, they want passwords of their partner to all the social media. They
Yes.
want to check phones. So this is, I don't agree with it personally, but this is what happens. So if I have this thing कि मुझे मेरे पार्टनर का, when he is having his dinner, मुझे मेरे पार्टनर का फोन चेक करने की हैबिट है. Now we have decided that I won't check his phone because he is not comfortable with it. And if I take his phone the very next day, or chalo in like a few days, and he just pounces at me, अरे हमने तो decide किया था, why are you doing this? Now I'm like, oh God, shit, what have I done? Instead of he pouncing at me, if he gently reminds me, sweetie, we decided not to check each other's phone, right? We decided to not check my phone. a gentle reminder. That's it. Politely put your point. You remember we decided this, or just gently say remind me, क्योंकि
Yeah.
मैं इतने टाइम से हैबिचुअल हूँ एक चीज करने के लिए, और
Right.
सडनली मेरी भी हैबिट नहीं चेंज होने वाली
नहीं
है.
चेंज हो सकती.
तो
Right.
correct. So give time to each other and be gentle. If that person is not doing what was decided, just give time and gently remind them. ऐसा नहीं कि बस तुम गुस्सा करो उसके ऊपर, अरे ये क्यों नहीं किया, हमने तो डिसाइड किया था. हाँ डिसाइड किया था, बट कभी कभी दिमाग से स्लिप हो जाता है बिकॉज वी आर सो हैबिचुएटेड टू इट. So that's another point.
One is
Coming
दिमाग से
down
slip
to-
हो जाता है, and second is you are so habituated that it takes time to adapt. You know, even otherwise we say,
Absolutely.
you know, our cells also takes 21 days to adapt to something new, right? So I think any
Yes,
new
yes.
habit, whether it is a change or a habit, anything that comes, guys, a sincere request, you know, you should give at least some time. अगर आपके काउंसलर ने 21 days बोले हैं तो 21 days or whatever. I mean, at least take that much time.
Correct.
And also I feel you
True.
should keep yourself in the other person's shoes. एक बार देखिए तो सही, अगर आप सिगरेट स्मोक करते हैं और अगर आपको सिर्फ एक दिन में ऐसे चुटकी में छोड़ने को बोला जाता, then you will not be able to do that, right? Or
And learning is also learning.
Yes, that's also. So just keep yourself in the other person's shoes and understand that it will take some time. It will
Be
take
empathetic.
Be empathetic.
Be empathetic.
Right? Yes.
Just
yes.
be willing to be compassionate, be empathetic. And I personally think when you love a person a lot, ये सारी चीजें अपने आप से hand in hand आ जाती है.
Right.
You know, you should just be willing to be open to all of these new things, changes. Right. And it is not going to be simple, but if you have your partner and you love the partner enough, I think
this will happen automatically in the flow, right?
Yeah, true. Yeah. That brings me to the last point. Appreciate the efforts. भले बहुत छोटी. Why appreciate the efforts? If like as I mentioned कि मुझे मेरे पार्टनर का फोन चेक करने की हैबिट है, ठीक है, एवरी टाइम मेरे को हैबिट है. अब जब वो डिनर कर रहा है और मेरे को हैबिट है उसका फोन इमीडिएटली लेने की, आई चूज कि मैं नहीं करूँ वो, एंड ही नोटिसेस दैट द पर्सन शुड लेट द अदर पर्सन नो दैट आई एक्नॉलेज that you are making these changes, that you are making a conscious effort. You know about positive reinforcements, right? Positive or negative reinforcements. So you know how important it is to appreciate the other person for his or her little changes. So positive reinforcement is very important, and it just keeps you motivated to do better things. Absolutely. Because as a couple, you grow together, and it is very important for you both to acknowledge each other's efforts and encourage each other, so that you both live a very happy, you both have a happy love life. So yeah, I think that brings us to the end of the 5 points that I had.
You know what? Yeah, this reminds me. The last point reminds me. Even when there's a child, एक छोटा बच्चा भी है अगर, if he's made an effort to maybe draw something or make something new in school or at home, he also requires some amount of credibility and some amount of appreciation. Absolutely, by the teachers, yes. And by the parents, right? So appreciation in a relationship is the most important thing according to me. Whether the person is adapting to those points that you have written, or they are still on the way. Sometimes it's work in progress. It takes time. They are still on the way. They're trying. You can see they are trying, but they are not there yet. So, at least
उन कोशिशों के लिए भी अगर,
कोशिश के लिए, exactly. Even a child needs appreciation. So why not appreciate our partners? Why not appreciate and acknowledge somebody who's there with us probably for the whole of life. Right?
True. And if you acknowledge and you say that, just make the person feel special. कभी-कभी यार out of the way, भले तुम्हारी शादी को 15 साल हुए, 10 साल हुए, या नए relationship में हो, do something that the partner feels कि oh, I got a reward for doing something. Just take them for a walk, give them their favorite ice cream, just write them a love note, send them a cute WhatsApp. Do something that they feel, oh, my partner acknowledges it and he loves me or she loves me a lot. So, you know, these small efforts for each other really mean a lot in the long term.
Right, absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
yeah. So, if you allow, I would like to review all those 5 points that we
Yes,
discussed.
please. Let's do that. Yes, let's do that.
Communication. First and foremost, communicate. Make a list of your non-negotiables, and sit together, discuss the list. If you both disagree on a certain point, find a middle ground and work towards it. Second point, be clear about it. Why, if you have written a certain point, why is it emotionally important to you? Especially emotionally important to you. Forget every other aspect, but what it does to you emotionally, how it hampers you or how it affects you. So that's the second point, be clear about it. Third point is respect each other's needs. भले वो कितनी भी छोटी हो, कितनी भी बड़ी हो, respect करो. Just don't dismiss your partner. Even if you don't agree to it, don't dismiss the partner. Just listen to the partner and don't be defensive or offensive when the point is being discussed. Fourth is give time for the person to change. आज डिस्कस किया, एक हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर if you expect your partner to change, नहीं होने वाला. Give the person some time. You take some time and then work towards it. Definitely, you need to make a conscious effort. But अगर वो person भूल जाता है, अगर तुम्हारा पार्टनर भूल जाता है वो चीज करना, just remember one thing: don't judge, don't blame, don't impose guilt on that partner. Just politely, very gently and politely remind the partner, sweetie, you said that you won't do this. You remember that we discussed this point? Oh, yes, I remember. Now the partner will be like, okay, he's so sweet or she's so sweet to remind me politely and I'm not supposed to do this. वहाँ पे झगड़े का हम लोग को मुद्दा नहीं बनाना है कि अरे उसमें क्या हुआ, एक आध बार तो किया नहीं. Yes, again, अगर एक आध बार भी किया है and if the partner is not comfortable, नहीं करना है, period. If the partner is not comfortable with something, respect that point and don't do it. How much ever you are triggered to do it, how much ever you want to do it, just don't do it because your partner is not okay with it. Okay? And the last point is appreciate the efforts. If you see that your partner is making efforts, if you see that your partner is really trying to not do certain things that you don't like, you don't approve of, appreciate. Tell the partner that you acknowledge it. Tell the partner that, I see your efforts and thank you. Thank you so much that you're doing this for me. Thank you so much you're doing this for us and I love you. Just say I love you. कोई पैसे नहीं जाते हैं I love you बोलने में. Just say I love you. Just show your love to your partner. Do something special for the partner so that the partner feels motivated to work towards this relationship. So yeah.
Yes. And a very, very interesting point that comes to my mind right now is no means no. If something is not acceptable, it means no. I mean, of course, you can give time to your partner. You can, as we just discussed, give time, respect each other and all of that. But when something is not acceptable or something is not, which means crossing your boundaries, then, let's not accept it at all. Right? So that gives a very clear information to the other person that it is a clear no. And there is no ambiguity. कभी-कभी हम प्यार में या out of, pleasing personality, in terms of, sometimes we have that habit of, pleasing the other person. We go over the board and say, चलो ठीक है, एक आध बार हो गया, doesn't matter. Which is fine, which is like respecting the other person. But again, emphasizing कि okay, no means no. I mean, एक आध बार हो गया, appreciate and then move on. Then that should not be repeated, right? So
correct. Make conscious efforts. Just make conscious efforts. कि जब मैं बोल रही हूँ, this has a meaning. इसलिए मैंने बोला be clear about what you're saying.
Right.
And if you see कि अरे ये 2-3 बार फिर से repeat हो रहा है, even after reminder this person is doing that, again have a conversation. While having a conversation, this is what also that I'll be discussing whenever we have our live next. But make I statements rather than you statements. You do this, you do that. I feel very sad when you do this. I feel very hurt when you do this. Now the person, if I say, Aarti, you always do this to me, Aarti will be like, huh, so what? And if I say, Aarti, you know what, when you do this, I really feel hurt. Oh, is it? I did not realize, I'm really sorry. The tone of that opposite person,
the whole thing becomes
language
different, you know, the whole thing becomes,
correct.
It's not like a blaming thing, okay, you have always done like that and you've always been so mean and all of that. It more of it becomes, you know, how that's impacting me. How do I feel? I feel hurt, or I feel you know, not good when you do this thing to me. So, you know, it is more about feelings and how you know, that whole texture changes when you communicate in the right manner.
Your tone, your language. Why is it so important to communicate in a certain way? अरे मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोला था, but ऐसे ही बोला था. आपकी language, आपका tone, आपके statements, सब बहुत matter करते हैं when it comes, especially when it comes to love relationships. Everything, every line from your mouth matters. Every line from your mouth matters. So yeah, that's about it. So I think we've discussed all the 5 points with each other, and now we can take questions.
Yes, very enlightening, Shravya. It was an amazing, enlightening session. Yes, I will just read the comments. Yeah. I'm not too sure whether questions have come or no. Let me just check. So,
if you have any questions, please send us so that I can answer.
Yes. So, we had Kunal, Hassanandani, Rushali, Sarvesh waving at us, saying hi, hello to you and to me. Hessenberg saying Shravya is the cutest. NB24496 is asking a question and is saying hello to you as well. I'll come to the question.
Hi.
29 Geeta is saying you're looking beautiful. Thank you, Geeta. I'm hoping both of us are looking beautiful and you're commenting for both of us. Mona Lisa.
Definitely she's saying for both of us.
Tarot reader Ruma. Hi, Ruma. Thank you for joining. Mona Lisa waving. Prateek Goyal. Okay. And Purvi Sage. The Purvi Sage is waving. Now I'm coming to the question of NV24496. I hope she's a female. Yes, she's saying, what if the partner is only blaming and not getting ready to communicate and only there's argument? Very interesting question. So if there's no communication with the partner and there's only an argument, like how we said, the first point is to communicate and then it is to review. You know, this is also an interesting question because many times, you know, there have been people who've reported that, okay, once or twice we have done that, and after that it becomes, maybe it becomes monotonous. Second, the partner doesn't have any interest in making these checklists and these lists of do's and don'ts and you know, itna hi karna hai, most of the times, unless you really value the relationship, right? So how to go about it, Shravya?
As you only answered it in your brief, that if the relationship values you, I mean, it holds some value to you, if it's important to you, you will work towards it.
I thought
अगर मुझे promotion चाहिए at work, and if I keep cribbing, यार मुझे promotion नहीं मिलता है, and I do nothing at work, I just sit and have a laptop in front of me and do nothing. मेरी कोई files submit नहीं हो रहे हैं, मैं कोई input नहीं डाल रहा हूँ, in board meetings also I'm just sitting like this. मेरे को promotion नहीं मिलने वाला. Similarly, if I don't work towards a relationship and then wonder why my relationship is so monotonous, why my relationship is not working out, why do we have arguments all the time? It's because I'm not working towards it. It's because my partner is either the partner doesn't know how important it is, certain things are for you. Okay. And secondly, it is very, very important. Everything comes down to one point, the willingness to be with each other.
Willingness, yes.
To work towards a relationship. to learn about the relationship, to learn things, new things about each other, to discover things about each other. Everything comes down to that. If you're willing enough and you love your partner enough, many people are like, I love you, but I'm not seeing any efforts. अगर मुझे seriously कोई मेरा relationship happy चाहिए, I have to work towards it. मुझे अगर अच्छा स्कोर करना है तो मुझे स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. मैं ऐसे ही बस हाँ हो गया है, मेरा स्टडी हो गया है, लेकिन अगर मैं पेपर में ही नहीं लिख के आऊं तो मुझे उसका रिजल्ट नहीं मिलने वाला. Similarly, if I want my relationship to be happy, I want my partner to be happy with me, it is very important for me to work towards that. So yeah, convince your partner. If that relationship, ask your partner, does this relationship hold enough value to you? How important am I to you? And if the partner says, of course you're very important to me, then let's work towards it. I think that's the
that
only thing
answers the question. Yes. So NB, if your partner is really into you and values the relationship, he or she will communicate, and there are chances of couple of arguments, but I think over a period of time they will go off. In continuation to this, Shravya, NV has also written, what if the partner is not ready to come to a middle ground and just fights about the topic? So I think again the answer is the same what Shravya just mentioned, unless you want to add something, Shravya.
No,
because if the partner values the relation, and if the partner really is into you and really wants you and wants the relationship, so then it's like both ways. Both of you will have to work towards a middle ground.
Yes.
Right? You are giving some leverage by coming to a middle ground, and I'm sure he can also. So it's like both ways. It's a win-win situation for both of you all. So just think about it,
And middle ground, why middle ground पे आना जरूरी है? Because मैं अपनी चीज आप पे थोपने से ज्यादा मैं आपकी भी सुन रही हूँ. I am giving you also the chance to walk halfway, and I am walking halfway. So I think that's the perfect way to deal with the situation. Because relationship में there was a very beautiful quote that I read the other day, which said, the problem is not the problem. The problem is the way we deal with it.
Right.
And it's never you versus me. It's about you two versus the problem. It's us versus the problem.
Oh, amazing. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful, Shravya.
I know, right? And it was so, I just could not get it out of my mind. I was like, wow, this is so true. We keep blaming the other person for being a certain way, but we don't really make ourselves a team and fight the problem. So I think that should be done. That's important to be done in a relationship. Even if there are arguments, कोई problem नहीं है. बात करो, लेकिन उस चीज को solve करो. Work थोड़ा सा, at least one step, 1 or 2 steps. Take that step, and you will see the changes in the other person. I can see the changes in your relationship. So yeah, that's what it is.
Yes.
Any other questions?
So very important takeaway here is that there are certain things where you want to negotiate. There will be certain things where the other partner wants to negotiate. So it's not only for your benefit; it's for both of you all benefits. Like if you communicate, you sit and you discuss and come to a middle point on one point, middle ground on one point. Then there will be something else where he wants you to come on the middle ground. So it's for both of you all, like not only for the one person, right?
Absolutely,
and,
yes.
Then I think over a period of time, if you make the person understand that this is for us to work on the relationship and have a healthy relationship, then I'm sure the other person will understand, right?
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
You both should be willing to work towards it.
Yes.
Both should be willing to work towards the problem.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Moving ahead, Shravya. Yamini is waving. Kavita Kumar 7283 is waving. Oh shit! 1 second. Then we have Kavita Kumar, Ghandan Trohan. I'm not able to pronounce it properly. Then we have Vaibhav Josh, who's joined and is waving. Ambekar, Sonal, Renu Gandhi.
Hello, Sonal.
Yeah. Renu Gandhi is saying, good going, Shravya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Heisenberg saying, so true. Unheard Quotes is waving. Hesty Moore is saying, hello, this is so enlightening. I have a question. How do you trust your partner? Can we say something about this, Shravya? How do you trust your partner?
By believing in yourself. By believing, I think this question comes out of a lot of baggage. हम में ट्रस्ट इश्यूज तब होते हैं, लाइक यू आर अ हिप्नोथेरेपिस्ट, यू नो कि ट्रस्ट इश्यूज कहाँ से आते हैं, क्या होता है, इनसिक्योरिटी कहाँ से आती है, या ट्रस्ट इश्यूज कहाँ से आते हैं बिकॉज पास्ट में कुछ हुआ हो. ट्रस्ट तब आएगा जब आप अपने एक तो फर्स्ट कम्युनिकेट, दैट ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेट कि यू नो व्हेन यू डू दिस आई फील हर्ट, व्हेन यू डू दिस आई जस्ट एम नॉट एबल टू calm down, I feel paranoid at that time. You know, if my partner is going out with his friends, what is he doing? Is he going out with a girl? Is there a girl with them? 10 things in my head going on. So I think how to trust your partner by communicating first. Secondly, again willingness कि मुझे इस person को trust करना है, क्योंकि constantly if I'm doubting him, मैं अपना relationship बहुत ruin कर रही हूँ. मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली अगर उसके बारे में नेगेटिव सोच रही हूँ कि कहाँ जा रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, is he going on with someone, whom is he chatting with, there are so many things that come into the picture and you're not able to focus on the relationship. More than that, I think you're focusing on the negatives. You're focusing on those things which are apparently not even happening, probably कभी होगी भी नहीं. Your partner can be loyal, there is a possibility that your partner will be loyal. There is a possibility that your relationship will work out wonders for you. But हम what if जो negative वाला part है उस पे ज़्यादा focus करते हैं. This is a human tendency. What if it does not work out? What if कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई? But what if it works out?
Right.
There is always a positive point to it. There is always a positive chance कि ये positive way में भी work कर सकता है. So I think अपने अगर trust issues हैं, please seek a therapist.
Exactly, I was about to say this, Shravya. Work on yourself if you have trust issues and seek a therapy, because somewhere it is coming, you know, kahin na kahin there is a trust issue in you because of your past, and it's very important to work on your past.
Yes.
You know, unless you do that, you will never be able to succeed in any relation. आप कितना भी communicate कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो, you will not be able to trust the other person, and then it will be like a cycle. You know, the same thing may repeat again and again. So it is much important to work on yourself. Connect with any of the therapists. Shravya is a therapist. I am a therapist. Connect with us if you want, and we can definitely work on your trust issues.
Help you out. Yes. I think there is a question.
Shall I move ahead?
What if? Yes.
Yeah. 1 second. Then I have Renu Gandhi saying, so true. Addiction of anything, whether work or anything, truly takes time. Giving time is the only solution. So true.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you, Renuji. Renuji is again saying appreciation is a must in any relationship. Rightly said.
Yes.
Harleen is sending hearts. Hastimore is saying acknowledging and appreciating. Yes, it is okay for women to pamper guys. Why not? Of course.
I mean, why not?
Why not? Why do women expect always men to pamper them? Why can't women pamper boys? Why not?
Of course, yes. They also are humans and they want to feel pampered and babied at time. And it's beautiful if the guy is asking that.
That's a way of showing love, yeah. I mean, if you love somebody, why not?
Yes.
Okay, Marian Jack 99 is waving. Hastimore is saying, I'm sure I'm pronouncing it right.
It's More. It's More.
More, okay.
Hastimore.
Oh my God. I was wondering, शायद मैं गलत नाम ले रही हूँ. So sorry. I thought it's more, like, you know, how in English we spell. So these basic things are so important. Yes, it is important.
Yes, they are.
Then Rohi, Brutally Killer is waving. Renu Gandhi ji is again saying strong pillars of any relationship explained beautifully. Proud of you. All right.
Thank you, Renu ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so I'll just read the question now. We are running out
Yes.
of time. And
Yes,
Shravya is
please.
so calmed out. Yes, Shravya is calmed out. Slay
Mata.
Yeah. What if you are so much in love that it turns into obsession and you don't know where to stop?
If
Okay,
you realize,
continuing to this, Shravya, the same person has written, what if you think boundaries are also a way to make a person go away and that kind of makes you insecure? So how to be mind and healthy? So I don't know whether it is related question or it is separate.
All right. So, sorry, but I'll answer the second question. When you put out a point, just make sure that you communicate this and make it very, very clear to your partner. Just because I am making a boundary, just because I'm saying that I don't like this, just because I'm not comfortable with this and I'm asking you to stop doing it, doesn't mean that I love you any less. मैं सिर्फ ये बाउंड्री बना रही हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल इन इट. एक होता है किसी को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करना, एक होता है कि खुद की रिस्पेक्ट करना. यस. So when I say that I'm respecting myself, doesn't mean I'm disrespecting the other person. मैं खुद की इज्जत रख रही हूँ, मैं खुद को कंफर्ट कर रही हूँ because that emotionally somewhere threatens me. That emotionally I don't feel okay by it. So it's very important for you to communicate, to tell this person that I love you a lot and I respect you a lot, but this is what I'm not comfortable with. So it will be amazing if you don't do this, if you don't continue doing this to me. So I think, yeah, the person will not go away if the person really loves you and really wants to work on this relationship. So right. I think absolutely. That answers the question. Coming to the first question, could you read the first question, the earlier question?
First question said, what if you are so much in love that it turns into obsession and you don't know where to stop?
Okay.
Would you like to take this up?
Yeah, so if you constantly think about the other person and if it जैसे मैंने पहले एक्सप्लेन किया कि अगर वो कॉन्स्टेंटली नेगेटिव चेन अगर बन रही है, कहाँ जा रहा है, किसके साथ जा रहा है, किससे बात कर रहा है, कॉन्स्टेंटली अगर वो सोच रहे हैं और उसका मतलब ऑब्सेसिवली उसका फोन चेक करना, उसको सोशल मीडिया पे कॉन्स्टेंटली स्टॉक करना, कितनी लड़कियों ने लाइक किया है, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग फ्रॉम अ गर्ल्स पर्सपेक्टिव, कितनी लड़कियों ने कितनी लड़कियों ने उसका फोटो लाइक किया है, कितनी लड़कियों ने उसके फोटो पे कमेंट किया है. नाउ इफ इट बिकम्स लाइक अ pattern and you constantly are doing this, take it as a red flag, big red flag, that you're obsessed over this person and it's
absolutely
not, probably it's not love, it's just obsession.
Absolutely, and especially the social media obsession, kitne likes aaye, kisne like kiya, kisne nahi kiya. The example that you have just given, Shravya, I tell you, this is problem of most of the millennials today. And why not? Why millennials? Even you know, other people, you know, social media account ko leke, I see so many things going on, and especially during the lockdown, we had nothing to do and just you know, we were live on we had our gadgets available, and you know, everybody was using social media to a larger extent during lockdown. Or you know, the kind of queries and the kind of quarrels people have had, and while we've been counseling, the kind of quarrels they've had, you know, he's liking the other girl's picture and not my picture, he's always commenting on that girl's picture. Oh, come on, I mean, it's just social media, it's a virtual world.
Exactly.
People are so obsessed with it, so obsessed with it that I can't tell you.
And if you realize and if you take it as a red flag कि मैं obsessed कर रही हूँ इस person, please again seek help. Talk to someone.
Yes.
Talk to someone who will just listen to you without judging you. That is why I said talk to a therapist, because talking to a friend won't help. The friend will take your side maybe and won't be able to explain it in a way it should be explained. A therapist is a third person who listens to you non-judgmentally and completely empathizes with you, will not diss you for feeling a certain way. So yeah, I think seek help and seek help and just notice your own pattern. Notice your own pattern कि कितना मैं कर रही हूँ, am I obsessed? Because your intuition tells you, your gut always tells you, it always guides you in a way कि you understand a lot of things, but you just need to listen to yourself at times.
Absolutely.
I think there's one more question.
There's one more question that we'll quickly take. Nishka 28 is asking, how do you know that you are in love with the person, with the other person, and not the idea of love? So how do you know that you are in love with the other person and not the idea of love? Interesting question.
And there will be an entire life for this question. I think there will be an entire life for this question. So, yeah, if you're, okay, so if, to answer this, just think if you are, okay, if this person loses all his memory tomorrow, will I still be willing to love this person? If this person, if it's a guy and he feels that I don't know, I'm not sure whether I'm in love with this girl, will I love this person even if she gives birth to a stillborn child? Even if she's not, if she loses her memory, if, you know, things go haywire, will I still be in love with this person? Do I want to see this person for the rest of my life? Accepting all the flaws and beauty of this person, do I still love this person? Does this person spark joy within me? Does this person, the first thought when I think about this person is only love, or it's a positive thought that, you know, he makes me smile or she makes me smile. He just makes me feel special and important. So I think that just answers whether you're in love. And of course, love का definition सबके लिए बहुत अलग-अलग होता है.
Right.
So yeah, as I said, इसके लिए पूरा live होगा.
पूरा live
separately.
Yes.
Yeah, because the topic of love is so enhanced कि इस छोटे, because we are running out of time, इस छोटे से इसमें मैं explain भी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. But yeah.
So basically what you're trying to say is if you can really accept the person along with all the flaws
and beauty,
you know, and beauty of course, then that's the love and not the idea of love. You know, it is love and affection. So love for me is probably affection for the other person, a kind of a you know, everybody defines love in their own manner. It's more to be experienced than to be you know, taught or to be defined. But something that makes you stick to the person is love. Whatever he, she does, whatever happens around you, whatever positive, negative, whatever. If you're sticking to the person,
I think
acceptance of the person along with the flaws as well as positive aspects is love. So Harleen is saying lots of love. Thank you.
Thank you, Harleen. I think acceptance of each other completely, respect for each other no matter what, and trust in each other. I think that just sums up love for me. So
beautiful.
I think the time is up.
I feel I'm already in February and not in December. Love is so much in the air. मुझे तो लग रहा है जल्दी से एक लव का सेशन
वैलेंटाइन डे
मुझे
वैलेंटाइन डे वाली फील आ गई. Same here.
Absolutely. So, yeah. So much of love around, and thank you so much.
There will be a lot of
there's so much
and there will be a lot of lives. Yes, there will be a lot of lives on relationships because I am pursuing relationship coaching. So yeah, there will be a lot of lives. Just let me know. Follow the Heal Life project. Follow Journey Within by Aarti. And if you have any questions, if you want to discuss anything, if there's any problem that you want to share with us, please, we both are therapists. Go ahead and DM us. We will be glad to help you out with whatever you need us to help you with, and reach out to us if you have any questions. Okay. And
yes, guys, my Insta handle
thank you so much for joining.
by Aarti, and Shravya's Insta handle is Shravya Kumar, and the Heal Life Project,
And
right,
the Heal
Shravya?
Life Project.
The
Yes,
Heal
yes,
Life
yes.
Project. And you can connect us. We are therapists, we are hypnotherapists, and alternate healing practitioners. I practice
Yes.
family constellations, and very soon we are going to have a live on family constellations therapy as well.
I'm so excited
which is
for it.
Yes, same here. So excited about it. And also, we are going to talk about the do's and don'ts in a relationship, Shravya. That's a very hot topic. Everyone wants to know about what should be done and what should not be done. So we'll come up
Yes.
with a live session next Sunday. Do tune in to both our Insta handles, and lots of love.
Thank you so much, Aarti.
Thank you, Shravya. Lots of
and
love
Merry
to you
Christmas
as
in
well.
advance.
Merry Christmas
in
to you,
advance.
to everybody at home, and to all our
Yes.
listeners, viewers,
Yes.
audience. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Love you loads.
Yes.
Bye. Mwah.
Love you. Bye-bye.
I'll just take a screenshot. Just smile.
All right.
I don't think I am. Yeah, done. Thank you so much. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.